So the last video I didn't have any commentary, and my friend told me that I should have some commentary since the visual element is not enough. And yeah, and it's also good for people that don't have any good eyesight and are watching YouTube. So yeah, so this video I'm just gonna describe what I'm doing and give some instructions so you can better understand what I'm cooking. So yeah, in this stage I'm just drying up some chicken, get rid of the moisture on the meat after I washed it, and then right now I'm cutting it chunks. Yep. And the white piece there is not tissue paper, I promise you. That's a bit of that bone, or like the soft bone in the chicken breast, if there are any, or a little bit fat, I don't know. Yeah, and also always make sure that your hands are cleaned, wash them off, and yeah, flick off that little chicken piece, and then get the onion. Yeah, I forgot to cut that in the beginning, so I'm just cutting into chunks, you know, so that it doesn't, so that you can still taste the onion. And yeah, and there are some chicken thighs. Ooh, that's my face. Okay, put that chicken into the bowl, and yeah, you gotta clean off your station. Just make it sure that it's dried, it's clean. And yeah, put that onion away so you get more space. You gotta be organized when you cook. Get that chicken thigh off the package. Yep, get that chicken thigh off the package. Yeah, showing it to you. It's a really nice piece of chicken thigh without any bones. Get that bowl. Oh yeah, you gotta slap the chicken thigh. Always make sure that you're rough with your meat so that it's tender while you cook it. Just don't be gentle, you know, don't lay it down. Yeah, just rough. Yeah, just throw it down there and get some paper towels and just dry off the moisture. the surface of that chicken thigh. Dry off the skin as well. Yep. Okay, that's a nice piece. And another piece. Oh, that's also a nice piece. So yeah, I got some rosemary leaves, and just gonna put the rosemary leaves into the chicken, and some soy sauce to marinate it a little bit, and just gonna whisk it up, make sure it's all covered. You know, don't be gentle with your meat, like I said. Just keep stirring it, and get some daishi, bone daishi, man. Give some sweetness to the chicken. Just fish making love to the chicken right there. Yeah, and put some oil on your hot pan, and just let it sit, and then yeah, make sure that the pan is covered with oil so it doesn't stick. Some simple knowledge. Yeah, and then throw some onions onto the pan and just whisk it, and add some garlic, whisking it. Yeah, don't leave any piece behind. And then yep, check out my cooking skills. Flips, very cool. Okay, yeah, whisk. Okay, keep doing that, stirring. Oh, and get your chicken ready. Oh, nice. Dump it in right there, and just yep, flip skills. It's not really flipping, just moving. Okay, and flip. Oh, nice skill. Oh, nice. Okay. Yep, do it again. Show off your skills, so that people will be like, wow, this guy's a pro. Okay, yep, not yet. Okay, keep getting make sure your chicken is actually cooked halfway or 70% until you throw the paprikas in there. I got some yellow and some red paprikas. Yeah, make sure you don't leave any piece behind. Yeah, just keep making sure that it's all gone. And flip. Yep, skills, it's really high. Oops. Yep, no one saw that. And yeah, just keep stirring it. Okay, that's very good. Yep, so food needs to have color. Add some mirin or any rice alcohol. Yep, flick. Oop, no one saw that either. Okay, put that in. Yep, I mean, you're the one eating it. And get some salt. Make sure your finger is up so it doesn't get burned. And it's done. Alright, put that in a plate. And here's some chicken thighs. Make sure that you have some protection so it doesn't it doesn't hit you. The oil doesn't hit you. I was gonna get some teriyaki sauce, as you can see on the left middle there. I was gonna make some actually, but then I happened to find the teriyaki sauce in the fridge, so I was like, you know, why waste the teriyaki sauce that's already there? So yeah, I decided not to make my own teriyaki sauce. I just decided to use the one that's already made. And yeah, always make sure that when you putting sauces in the pan, make sure that they're in a circular motion. Yeah, because of pie and whatever, you know, or Fibonacci, whatever. And yeah, just keep whisking it. Oh yeah, I forgot to say earlier I was renting, but yeah, cover it up with the pan. Okay, egg. Oops, no one saw that. I mean, you're eating it. Okay, another egg. Nice. Okay, and then get your little spoon and just keep whisking it. Very whisk. Okay, fuck the spoon, man. Yeah, chopstick is the way to go. Yeah, whisking with chopstick is just so much faster, so much more precise. You get a good whisk into the egg. Very good. And just keep whisking it until it's done. Get some of this chili powder. Okay. And some salt, I believe. Yep, some salt coming in right now. Okay, nice. And keep whisking it. Okay. And the chicken is done. Very good. You got that really nice golden brown. But if it's not done, you can poke it with the fork until that is done. Okay. And then this is the best part right there. You take the chicken out. Very good. You take that chicken out. And then you put the egg in there. Yep. And make sure it's in circular motion again because of pie or whatever. And yeah. And just whisk the eggs. Make sure that they're properly cooked. And now that's the consistency you're looking for. A bit wet, a bit horny. Okay. Oh fuck, that's hot. Ouch, yeah, that was hot. And put that into a bento box, preferably square because of, I don't know, square root of 69. And yeah, put that egg in there. Very good. And get your chicken in there. Okay. Yep, make sure that it's settled in a nice manner. Okay, and yeah, that's done, the bento box. Okay, now you have to find a nice place to eat your bento box, and I prefer to eat it outside because, you know, the sun. Yeah, bento parkour. Okay, and that's a bento box again. Very nice looking, great colors on it. Okay, that's me eating it. I have to eat really fast actually because there's not a lot of storage left on my camera. So yeah, I was eating really fast, and I just hope I had enough camera footage at the end, but I didn't, so you couldn't see me finishing the food. But I promise you that I finished all the food, and that's a nice piece of chicken thigh right there. Ooh, that's a nice piece. That's very good actually. Wow, look at that sexy. Look at the color on it, man. It's like golden brown, you know. Okay. Keep eating it, keep eating it, keep eating it. So there's not much commentary to do here. I mean, it's visually represented right there in front of you. So I think I'm gonna end my commentary right there, and you can enjoy me enjoying my bento box.